All right. Good morning. I'm in my old Farmer Joe clothes, as my wife says, my suspenders. It's been a while since we've been together. And what we're going to do today, or what over the next week or two, is it's another one of those engineering things. I could have just made the lab and just given you the worksheet and said, here you go try this. It's kind of fun, and it is fun, and you can do it with small children if you're babysitting or something like that, or doing anything. Basically, what we're going to be doing is making boomerangs. But before I needed to add all the sciencey stuff to it. So what I wanted to do was show you how it's real easy to make them. You just get two paint sticks, and you can go to any store and they will give them to you. Any paint store, Lowe's, Sherwin. I prefer Sherwin-Williams because they're more balsa wood. I don't know, they're just better paint sticks, and they're also beveled a little bit, so they work more like an airfoil, so they work better. At least this one seems more beveled than this one. But anyway, and you can engineer this and make them even more quaint. And then all you do is take rubber bands, put it over the top like this, twist it, go over the bottom like this. Let me make the screen even bigger. Where the hell? Oh, yeah. Sorry. All right, so here's how you do this. You just take this like this, and then I'm hoping I don't go out here. Also, that's all my hair, and it's like, you need to get that straight. All right, anyway, so you put it over like this, go to the bottom, twist again, go over the top, twist again, do it as many times as you can. And then what we've also found by as with most engineering things, by doing it a bunch of times, you start to figure out that the tighter I make these two things, the tighter I make these. So I might want to use two rubber bands. And the rubber band you want to use, they're kind of big, they're the bigger ones, the 33 rubber bands. Now, you don't need to go to Office Max and buy any. Hopefully you can find them. They're the ones that are about this size, and they work tremendously. All right, so that's our intro, and now we're going to talk about air pressure and air fluids, okay? But we're going to go outside. We're going to make a boomerang. Then we're going to study all kinds of things in this. We're going to study aerodynamics, and how aerodynamics works is really a fluid. We treat it just like a fluid. We're going to learn moments of inertia. We're going to learn density and the density of air and things like that. And we are going to learn about boomerangs, in the final analysis. So, and then you're going to build one, and the hardest part's going to be taking some of the measurements, because I'm asking you to find out what the mass of your two sticks are. And we're going to put some washers in the middle of them, and put some washers in the middle, then move those washers out to the ends, and see if we can attach them the best we can, and then see if that changes its radius of curvature. And taking those measurements might be the tricky part. Okay, that's always kind of the tricky part of these things. All right, so there's the intro, and so let's get started.